Alright, in this video, we'll quickly go through this question. So, if a body does not changes its position with respect to its immediate surrounding, body is said to be at rest. So, it does not changes its position. Okay. If body changes its position with respect to its immediate surrounding, the body is said to be in motion. Okay. Every point on the body moves through the same distance in same interval of time. The body is performing. Okay. So, in explanation, I give you the explanation about the bicycle. Okay, if it is moving in front, all the parts, front tire, back tire, both will be covering same distance in same interval of time. Okay, so this is a translatory motion. Okay, a body motion of a body in a straight line is called, so it is not circular, rotatory, oscillatory, it is a rectilinear motion, linear straight line. All right, motion of a body in a curved path is curvilinear motion. Okay, so it is curvilinear. In a curved path, it will be a curvilinear motion. When a body moves about a fixed axis, the body performs. So whenever it is performing, say for example a top, okay, or Earth for that example, okay, it rotates on its axis. So it is a rotatory motion. Okay, the to and fro motion of a body from its rest position. Okay, so from its rest position, if it performs a to and fro motion, that is a oscillatory motion. Okay, so body oscillates. Now with the same example, the to and fro motion of a body keeping its rest part fixed. Okay, this is an example of a vibratory motion. Okay, so one of the part of the body would be fixed. In that case, the shape and the size of the body will change. That is called as vibratory motion. Right? So remember, this is the difference between oscillatory and vibratory. If a motion is repeated at a regular interval of time, okay, after regular interval of time, it is called as periodic motion. If a motion of a body is not repeated at regular interval of time, it is called as non-periodic motion. For example, a football player running on a field or particle in a gas, they perform non-periodic motion or random motion. So that those are non-periodic motion. Motion of a pendulum would be a periodic motion. Okay. If a moving body travels equal distance in equal interval of time, the motion is said to be uniform motion. Okay. If a body travels equal distance in equal interval of time, the example would be the toy car. Okay, it was performing at equal distance in equal interval of time. So every 2 seconds, for every 2 seconds, it was traveling a distance of 5 meters, I suppose. So every time there was an interval 2 seconds, every 2 seconds it was traveling 5 meters. So such kind of a motion would be a uniform motion. If a body travels unequal distance in equal interval of time, so over here, for every 2 seconds, if the body is traveling a different amount, so here say for 5 meters, here 10 meters, and after that it was 15 meter. So for every 2 seconds, the distance it is covering is different. This is called as a non-uniform motion. A book lying on a table is an example of body at rest. Okay, so it won't change unless some force is applied to it. Okay, so it is body at rest. A motion of a pendulum is an oscillatory motion. Okay. A car moving on a straight road is a rectilinear motion. Alright, thank you.